Here's how to add a file download after form submit in Unbounce. So right here in Unbounce website, you just need to go to your classic builder. In order to do that, just go to one of your pages and click edit. So right here in the classic Unbounce builder, we just need to go to the form confirmation dialog so that we can edit this one and we can add some buttons right here that can redirect a file download for the customers. So for example, right here on the page, widget, just find a button widget right here, drag and drop it, and put it whatever you want right here in the form confirmation dialog. So let's say we add a button right here, and under the element properties on the click action, instead of go to URL, just click the drop down menu and change it to download file. So after doing that, you need to choose a file that will be downloaded if they click on the button. So for example, we're going to upload a PDF file that they can download after submitting the form. So let's say this one. So after uploading the file, just click, choose right here, and the file is already uploaded right here under the button. So after that, just click save and republish, and after publishing, you're done. So after your customers fill up the form and they see this form confirmation dialog, they can click this button and they can download the file that added, and that is how to add a file download after form submit in Unbounce.